I finally finished reading The Myth of Sisyphus by Albert Camus. In his search to answer whether life is worth living and whether it has meaning at all, Camus presents a philosophy he calls absurdism. The absurd arises from the conflict between our human need for meaning and the irrational nature of the world. Neither the world nor our reason is absurd on its own. Absurdity emerges precisely in the clash between the two, in our attempt to make sense of what cannot be explained. When we become aware of this absurd condition, we realize that we can be certain of almost nothing, except who we are and the fact that we will die. Camus compares life to fighting a battle we already know we've lost. And from this awareness, anxiety and anguish can arise, sometimes leading us to question whether life is worth continuing. But this is where Camus introduces the idea of revolt. To revolt does not mean to deny the absurd. It means to accept it fully and continue living anyway. It is a conscious act of defiance, an affirmation of life, despite its lack of inherent meaning. In this light, the story of Sisyphus becomes a metaphor for the human condition. Rolling the stone up the hill, knowing it will fall again, may seem pointless. Yet Camus invites us to imagine Sisyphus happy, because in accepting his fate, he finds freedom. So even if the world is absurd and life has no ultimate purpose, we must go on living, for it is our ability to choose, to believe, and to rebel that makes us truly free.